Hello friends, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a smooth loop video using CapCut on PC. To start, duplicate a frame of the video and place the duplicate above the original, about 3 seconds before the end of the bottom clip. Select the top clip, go to Video, Basic, and set the opacity to 0. Add a transparency keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Move the playhead to the frame before the bottom clip ends and set the transparency to 100. This will ensure a smooth transition between the two videos. Further, turn off the main track. Select the bottom clip, indent about 3 seconds from the beginning, and split it. Move the first part of the clip to the end. Repeat the transparency settings for this segment as in the previous step. Next, select all the clips, right-click and select Compound Clip to combine them into a single file. Duplicate the created compound clip to get a smooth loop transition without visible jumps or breaks. To speed up this process, select all clips, create a compound clip, duplicate it, and repeat the process if you need to create a longer video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.